Good morning, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market has been open for a minute. I was slacking off a little bit and forgot to get things rolling, but I'm watching RVNC right now. First order up there at 35.45, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. But that is the current plan, and I will keep you updated. This one's a fast mover, so actually I'm going to let it run here a second. We'll see if it can get up there. I realize that seems far away, basically $1 away, but like I said, this one can move quick, and it does move in those 5-cent increments. So that just compounds the fact of how quick it can move. 34.50 though, clearly that level of resistance. All right, I am going to go ahead and pause. Looking at MU here, still have my fishing order out there on RVNC. Have a initial order to short MU at 40.75. It was looking like it was possible for a second, but now it's pulled back. But that is where that current fishing order is residing. Missed it. All right, got my first order there at 40.75. We'll take 15 cents, but if it wants to give me some more, then I will gladly take that. Put an order out there at 41.15. And also 41.25. So let's see what it wants to do here. All right, looking on this one might be a little. Let's do this to 40.65. Looking like I might get some more up here above 41. Let's see if it can get up there or not. I'm going to go ahead and pause though, just because this one can kind of slow down and speed up. But that is the current plan right now. I will keep you updated. All right, it's pulling back here a little bit. Whether or not it gets down to 65, we shall see. All right, this thing is very strong. I'm going to try to get out at 70 there. So I'm all out for $25, and there might have been my $50 extra point, but that's right. This thing, like I said, slowing down, not getting choppy enough, but a lot of stuff out there, so let's go find something else. And right there, a quick little learning lesson. I would have definitely had it, but hey, that's why we're all great traders in hindsight. However, like I said, let's go find something else now. All right, have an order at 189.25 on NVDA here for just an initial 500 shares. So I will keep you updated. I totally forgot I was making this recording, and I bought EIX here at 69.75. As you can see there, I only got 400 shares out of the 500 I wanted, and then I sold it 25 cents later at 70. So that gave me a quick $100. And like I said, I totally forgot, although I am looking to potentially build a short position here on what I feel is going to be some sort of dead cat bounce. Initial entry here at 72.25. So we'll see if the price can get up there or not. I will keep you updated, and I'll try not to forget this time that an actual video is going on. So I apologize for that, but looking like we're going to get some more potential here. So let's actually keep it running. Actually, I know what I want to do. Let's go to 72.45. There we go. So let's see if we can get a break up there through 72. Again, I believe this is a dead cat bounce here. And then it's going to want to start to head back over. Again, I'd like more than 500 shares if I could get them, but I'm also not going to throw everything right away. Okay, so there's a break of 72. Looking for 72.45. It's getting, well, I got somewhat close. Okay, I'm gonna have to change this now. Let's go 72.95. See if we can get up there or not. Yeah, I would have been filled and I would have been out. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. That's why I'm a billionaire in my hindsight trader account. It hit 72.45. I would have had a quick 15 cents, which would have equated to $75. So now what I need to do is 73.55. Keep in mind, I am looking at other things than what you see on the screen here. I have multiple monitors. All right, good. We're only at 6 minutes. So let's see if we can get a break up there through 73. I am going to go ahead and pause it, and if it looks like it's going to break 73, I'll get the video rolling again. All right, looking to pick up 1,000 shares here at $1.85 on CUR. We'll see if it can pull back there or not. I was hoping to get a pullback before it goes on its attempt to break above $2, but it's looking like that's not going to happen, as there's the break right there. So never mind. Yeah, just one of those mornings. Hindsight, once again, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I should have just bought in right at the offer before it broke $2, as those 1,000 shares would be looking quite nice. But now looking for a pullback. And looking forward, if it can drop to 195, I would be interested in 1,000 shares at that spot. Whether or not it drops down that far remains to be seen, but I don't want to be as tempting as it is. You don't want to chase. Although 220 seems to have quite a bit of support right there. But that is the current status of things. And for those of you that are wondering, hey Clay, how does the chat room work? You know, here's just one where this is why I like to have a chat room. It's not me that made the alert that found it. I obviously missed it. But right here at 9:51, you can see that the QR was alerted on volume on both the 2 and 5 minute chart. And you know, just keep in mind 9:51, and I'll show you exactly where that is as far as the chart is concerned. So there is a look at the chat room, and 9:51 is right. There it is. Right at that candle there is 9:51. So basically this was alerted right around the $1.40-ish mark, give or take, and you can see where it is now. So again, kicking myself, why wasn't I paying attention at that point in time? I don't know why, but I missed that alert. However, I know that person, and I'm sure plenty of others in the chat room, are doing very well on this one, as they're up almost $1 per share. And I'm still going to give it a try, but like I said, I don't want to chase up there. I'd rather find a pullback. But good little example there of how the chat room works. And again, if you're not familiar, that service costs $99 per year, not per month, not $197 per quarter, not $297 per quarter. No, $99 per year. So it's one of those things where, as I always say and will continue to say, I'm more than confident that over the time span of 12 months, you would be able to get, you know, at least $99 worth of value. Obviously not sending the bar too high there. Getting a bit of a pullback here. Can it come down to the area that I want it? I don't know. That may still be a stretch, but I want to give it a go. And actually looking like maybe there's some potential here. I will keep you updated as we're almost at 10 minutes on the video. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. I'm going to go ahead and move on from this one. Volatility's just tightened up too much for me. It's you know, if you're more so like the pattern player, well then, you know, this is a nice looking chart right here. But as far as volatility, not really my style anymore. So I'm just going to move on and try to find something else. It is officially 1 hour into the day, and I am at 125. I say this because I know the past couple of weeks, the videos I've been posting were, you know, $455 in 20 minutes, you know, $600 some dollars in 45 minutes, and you know, what was the one, $1,000 in 5 minutes. And here I am. Let's just keep it real. It can't always be like that. And I realize these are the sorts of videos where the trolls like to come out and, oh, you suck, you're a terrible trader, you know what you're doing, how do you only make 120? I get it. That comes, and I have full responsibility. No one's forcing me to post these online. But yeah, for those of you that just want kind of a realistic look and don't expect glitz and glamour all the time, like a lot of those marketers out there and the quote-unquote traders do. But yeah, this is just how things go. And from a video perspective, I apologize. I know I missed that one. But just a lot of kind of good examples in the sense of just realistic. I mean, that one was alert in the chat room. I showed that, but I missed it. And then I wanted it before the breakout, and that didn't happen. And, you know, then with MU, that one just kind of went awry and didn't quite act the way I wanted to. Of course, as soon as I got out, then that's when it went my way. But, you know, that's going to happen regardless. But with that, I'm just going to wrap things up. And, yeah, it is what it is. I realize that it sounds kind of goofy, but if you enjoyed the video and you want me to keep making these, click that like button. That's the easiest way to let me know, hey, Clay, even though this one was kind of boring, even though this one didn't have that much excitement in it, please keep making them. Click that like button. That's the easy way to, like I said, describe that, or to let me know that. If you are interested in that chat room that I showed some example, or that I showed the example of, just go to claytrader.com, and that's called the Inner Circle. And like I said, $99 per year, not per month, per year. Very, very cost effective. And like I said, I'm confident that that is a more than fair price. If you are interested in learning how to trade with charts, you can also, again, go to claytrader.com, and I offer many online video training courses on that. So I apologize, but I don't, because sometimes this is just the reality of the matter. And although I love the videos where there's trades and excitement and bigger numbers, sometimes that can't always be the case. And this is just going to be one of those mornings. So yeah, I'm closing out the morning right now, an hour in, and up $125. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.